the mountain air where the cold winds lie, he lifted his lens to the velvet sky. The Andromeda's light, so faint, so far, whispered, "You're smaller than you think you are." Each spiral flame, each ghostly hue, a world entire, a realm anew. He found the measure of the sky, where galaxies drift and distances fly from a single beam of light's reply. He learned the universe was wide. The cosmos in its rest, Cepheids pulsed like a beating heart, a rhythm of time, a cosmic chart. Each flicker told the tale of space, of galaxies racing in their grace. He found the measure of the sky, where silence sings and stars comply. Through spectral shift the truth drew nigh. The universe moves and we now every eye that scans the deep sees echoes of the dreams he'd keep. In Hubble's gaze we learn to see